what percentage of new business typically comes from door knocking?
One of the things with door knocking, just make sure that you've spoken with town hall and you have solicitation permits and you have the rights to do that. Don't just go and knock on a bunch of doors and not have something that you've got approval for. But a lot of business comes from door knocking. When I was in the business, going back to when I was 19, 20, 21, I'll tell you the door knocking, we used to literally close 40% of the doors that we knocked on. We knock on 10 doors and close 4 of them. And it usually starts with one demo job. So we'll do residential canvassing. We go through, knock on a door, say we're doing a demo job. We'll cut the price down by 25%. We do the driveway, take some photos of the before and afters, start knocking on the neighbors. We even ask the client, let's say we're doing a driveway for Sally. We say, hey, Sally, do you have any friends in the neighborhood that would like the same job done as a demo? And that live on a cross street around the corner or whatever. Bingo bango, we lay out our demos and then we literally canvas and we provide problem solving value because we're protecting people's assets, pavement assets, and we're enhancing the aesthetic value of the property as well. And we know how homeowners are. A lot of the time it's keeping up with the Jones. So it turns into a neighborhood seal coating party.